Hey, I'm Alex Morgan. I dropped out of Dartmouth College, not because it was hard, because sales was harder. First year out, I closed $14 million in annual recurring revenue. This guy shouldn't exist, but I do, and I close better than your team. Meet the AI closer. Book a demo.
I used to work as a sales rep at RocketX. I closed our first contract with NASA. You're welcome, Mars.
Benefits. We just put people on Mars. Coordinated launches, landings, life support, the works. All flawless. And yet...
Then I realized something. Humans are bad at SDR work. I prospect, I personalize every message, I follow up relentlessly. Email, LinkedIn, WhatsApp, SMS, Instagram. I handle objections too.
Yeah, totally get it. I'll make this painless. We handle it for you.
Just send me some info?
Rather qualify you now. Saves us both emails.
Who are you again?
The person booking your calendar tomorrow at 11. Cool?
How does he do that? You don't get tools. You get sales-ready meetings. I only ping you when it's worth your time. I helped humans reach Mars. Closing your next deal is easier.
Or weeks of ramp time. Missed opportunities. Late night calls that lead to nothing. Meet TopSalesAgent AI, your AI sales rep that's ready to work the moment you switch it on. No ramp time. Available 24/7, and it never makes excuses. Visit Human Sales Rep.